Stamp Lab's custom self-inking legal and justice of the peace stamps make it easy to perform your role. Sign off and verify documents with your own customised JP and legal stamps, including your personalised details. Just like our custom stamp range, each JP and legal stamp is fully customisable to suit your needs. They are assembled on durable, all-in-one self-inking stamp machines, so they are ready to use when you are. Easily edit our JP and legal stamp templates online. You can change any part to suit your needs, including leaving sections blank. It's easy to get your new stamp. Start by selecting your desired template. Then, pick the ink colour required. Next, click the Personalise button to make your changes. Customise the design online. You'll see the changes you make get updated in real time as you edit. Once you're happy, confirm the order quantity and then complete checkout. We'll make and dispatch your new stamps on the same day. Fast dispatch and easy ordering makes Stamp Lab the best place for your custom legal stamps.